This gym, fucking just some air conditioning. Like yesterday, I needed a fucking oxygen mask, like Ronnie Coleman, backstage in the Olympia. Come on, Aaron.
Singerman's lighting it up.
Go hard or go fucking home. What the fuck is that, Aaron? Back straight. No, not like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah. This is like fucking physique style, you know. The fucking mankini outfit on.
Hey, why not?
Oh, sorry.
Actual physique. Relax.
See that guy's fucking form. You know what I mean? This is why you fucking placed why you did at the Arnold. And all for all you doubters out there, you know what you can do now? Go pussy clout home. Pussy clout home. Alright guys.
The whole stack.
They call me Stacker.
Zack's knocking out 20. Easy.
Oh, you make me look good. Come on, Aaron. No fucking shaking about here. Yes. Do it. That's it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Fucking squeeze. No fucking about. You're in Ben's home now.
Very motivated just then, Zach. Thank you for that. No, he's got something for every rep. He's got a different one for every rep.
See, P to the A to the K. What does that spell? Pac. M to the A to the N. Yes, Pac-Man. Come on. Then fuck it up. Horseshoes. Fucking horseshoes. That's it. That's it. No fucking about. You know how it's done. This is just fucking play school, bro. This is play school. That's it. Cool.
We need some more smack talk in this room. I want shit talk backstage. Come on, Zach, light it up, man. Top to bottom, squeeze, top to bottom, let's go. Don't you stop, let's go. That boy. That boy, come on. Get it. That's what I'm talking about.
Aaron. Yeah, I'm behind you, ready to kick your ass. That's a squeeze. Squeeze. Hold, squeeze, hold, squeeze. Come on. Let's do it. You fucking do it. Do it. Yeah. Show Dave Plumbo how it's done. He says you're a pussy boy. Come on. Come on, round two. Ding, ding, ding. Let's fucking do it. Make this a fucking knockout. Yes? Fucking first place, Arnold. Next year, let's get this fucking doing. No fucking about. Just do it. Squeeze. Squeeze. nothing. Don't make it fucking hard. This is fucking easy. Yes. 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 Come on. Good. Come back.
After it, bro.
Yes. Let's fucking do it.
24 inch arms, bro. Best arms in the world, man. Who's fucking Phil? Who's Phil Heath? Let's go. Beat him in the arms. Let's go. Beat him. Come on. You got lots, dude. Let's go. That's the control. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. You got more, man. You got more. Come on. All day. Come on. You got this all day, dude. All day. Come on. Yep.
You're never gonna see cars like that. Made in Canada.
Right there.
Come on!
Yes.
Yes, that's it, man! Fuck it up! Yes! Yes! That's it! Fucking go hard or go home. Yes! Yes! Come on! This is yours! Number one! Number one! Number one! Come on, one more! Squeeze it! Yes!
Thanks, Ray.
I like the bit where he does about the stallion. You heard the stallion thing? If you're the stallion, you gotta gallop.
You got a fucking gallop home. Fucking come on!
Working this set, bro.
Let's go, Zach.
Let's fucking work, man.
My fucking ball!
Right, let's go.
Ooh!
Yep.
Yes!
Tight.
Ooh! Yes! Ooh! Yes!
All day, bro. Come on.
Oh!
Come on.
Fucking
Yes, let's go. Go get it. Six, come on.
Oh, fuck!
One more. Come
Come
on.
on, Zach. One more, Zach.
One more. Come on. One more now. One more. Come on. Come on.
Oh, fuck! Come on, man. I'm fucking pushing you like this all the time. You best be ready. Get ready for the fucking
Yep. Got it.
Yes! Come on! Come on, horseshoes! Horseshoes! Oh! No fucking around! This is a walk in the park! Hey! Walk in the park! Hey! Up! Hey! Up! Give it to me! Now! Again! Hey! Yeah!
Yep.
That's how we pros do it.
Ready. Let's do it, Zach.
Fucking ready? Let's fucking do it. You ready? Ready? Fucking come on. Go, Dad. Come on. Let's fucking do it. Let's go. Come on. Do that like shit. Do that like shit. Yes. Ooh, yes. 3, yes. 4, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8.
More. Straight up. Not in front. Straight up.
Again. Again. Come on, again. Again. All right.
Straight up.
4. Yes.
How's it feeling?
Felt good. Lightweight.
I don't need to change the first one. I'm heavy enough. Yeah, I'm heavy enough.
Come on.
Check up. Back straight. Just squeeze that shit off the block. Be able to initiate the tricep off the block.
Rocky who? Yes? Rocky who? Yeah. Me and Ben's gonna be in the next. What's the fucking movie called?
Get it, dude.
Rocky 2.
Get it. Squeeze that shit hard at the top. You're not squeezing it. Let's go. Come on. Go get it. You go. That's it.
Fuck.
He's fucking sandbagging it.
I know. You didn't think he had any left.
Horseshoe. That's it. Fucking gallop down there. Fucking down to the Yes. Visualize who's in your fucking way. Visualize who's talking shit. And run them motherfuckers over. Yes. Yes. Training legs this fucking bend. He trains up the body with me. That's combination.
Fair deal.
Yeah.
All triceps, brother. All triceps. Squeeze that shit. There you go. Yeah, dude. Easy. Easy. Go get it. Come on. You got 3 in there, man. You got 3 in there. Let's go. 1. Come on. 2. Go get it. Yeah, good boy.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stretch more, Aaron. Stretch more. Waist stack touches down every time.
1. Come on. Come on.
Drop the weight. Drop the weight. Keep going. Drop the weight. Keep going. No, drop the weight. Keep going. Lighter weight. Now we finish up, man. Now we finish up. Let's go. That's it. Squeeze that shit, dude. Grab that fucking, that rope like an alpha, dude. Stop grabbing it like a bitch. Let's go. Grab the rope.
Yep.
Come on, finish it up. Finish those things out, man. Fucking burn them out. Let's go. Burn them out. Get after it. Get to it, bro. Get to it. Come on. Get to it. Everybody's saying you're never going to get on stage.
Come on, Zach.
Fucking stallion, man.
Drop it, drop it. Drop it.
Come on, Zach. Let's go.
6 reps from top again. Come on. Come on. 3, go get it. Come on. 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 4. Go. Come on. Right up, right up.
Oh, fucking God. Yeah, I'm fucking gone. Motherfucking lactic acid. I fucking hate you.
Oh, you got more. You got more, Zach.
Fuck.
Grab it like a man. Step up, Zach.
Yes. Ooh.
Yes.
Yes.
Fucking out. Let's go. Extend those arms, man. Come on.
Come on, Zach.
What else is extending them, dude? Oh, shit.
24 inches.
Come on. Big arms, dude. 2 more.
Oh, fuck. Show me how it's done. Show me how it's done. Yes. Yeah. 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 Again. 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 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Extend that bastard. Extend it. Down.
Come on, Ben.
Down.
Come on, Ben.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on, Ben. No quit. Let's go.
6. Yes.
Whoa.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on. That's the bed.
Zach looked like he sprayed oil all over himself.
Fucking I sweat. I've never sweated this much in my life. I'm trying to make this fuck. You know what I mean?